In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify to find and install apps that will enhance your online store. Whether you're new to Shopify or simply looking to expand your store's functionality, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your main Shopify admin page. Start by opening your browser and going to the logged-in dashboard of your Shopify store. This is your command center, where you'll manage all aspects of your online business. Once you're on the home page of your Shopify admin, you'll see an option to add more features and tools to your store through apps. To begin expanding your store's capabilities, look for the Add button on your Shopify dashboard. It's typically easily identifiable and should stand out. Click on this button to initiate the process of adding new applications. This action will direct you to some options, and from there you will want to choose the Shopify App Store. The App Store is a curated marketplace where you can browse and install various apps designed to improve and streamline your store's operations. With the App Store open, it's time to search for the app that suits your needs. In the search bar provided, type in the keyword highlight. This will help you locate apps related specifically to what functionalities you're interested in adding to your store. Once you've typed in your query, look through the list of available apps. Now, specifically, you'll want to look for an app that deals with integrating Google and YouTube capabilities into your store. Utilize the search results to find the app labeled Google and YouTube, and once you've spotted it, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. Next, after clicking on Google and YouTube in the App Store, you'll be presented with detailed information about the app. This will include what features it offers, its rating, reviews, and more. Make sure to read through this information to ensure it aligns with what you're aiming to achieve with your store. And when you feel confident it's the right fit, proceed by clicking on Google and YouTube once more, this time to finalize your selection and begin the installation process. Throughout this process, remember to review app permissions and terms carefully, as they will impact how the app interacts with your store and data. After installation, you can typically find the new app listed in your store's app section, where you can access its settings and start customizing its features to suit your needs. So, there you have it. Following these steps will help you explore the Shopify App Store and add valuable functionalities, enhancing your customers' experience and optimizing your store's performance. Happy selling!